Hi guys, welcome back to the Kilburn-Long channel. So today we are unboxing the Ingenuity Baby Base 2-in-1 booster seat. So we're gonna unbox it. Obviously, our baby's on the way, and so probably a bit young to have this at the moment. But we just wanted to unbox it and sort of go through it and show you what it's all about. Really, we really like these in comparison to hold up.
Yeah.
We like these in comparison to high chairs. We think they're a lot better, to be honest. For toddlers not eating at the table and stuff like that. Did you say this goes up to toddlers too?
Yeah, it goes up to... It can be used as a floor seat for a baby. And then it goes up to...
Because this is what we've got.
No, I think it's 3 or 4 years old.
3 or 4 years old, right? So this is what we've got. So
Yeah, six months.
6
to
months.
4 years old.
To 4 years old, right? So inside we have some instruction booklets. Do you know what? It's got a really nice soft padding. There's your instructions leaflets. I think the tray goes underneath there, as you can see. So what we'll do is we'll get it out and lay it on the stool. Let's get it out. There we go. So this is it, really. You've got your your clasp strap. Oh, that's quite good. Quite a good one. It's like a buggy one. There we go. We should really cut that off. Will you hold that for me, Jim? Right, no, hold it up. Right. So you've got your straps here. It's got a really nice soft padding by the looks of things. Oh, that comes off as well.
I think there's a way meant to set it up.
Yeah, because that comes through the bottom. And then you've got a strap. So this strap, let me just pop that back in there a second. There we go. It's quite good. I mean, if we pop the back, this bit would go to the back of your dining table chair, so that they can sit. And it looks like it's got a back bit here as well, Jen. I don't know if that's got a clip there.
There's instructions to set it up.
Okay.
So there's meant to be a grey bit on there.
Yeah.
So we need to have a look through it.
Right, so we've got, inside here we've got the door. Look at that. And that goes on there. Somehow. Right, let's have a look. Right, sorry guys, we had to pause that for a second there. Right, okay, so these are the instructions that come with it, but we've just actually figured out. So that tray is not for clipping on the top. We'll show you what it's all about. So on the back, in the back, when you turn it over, and you can only do this the once. Oh look, you got this little compartment here. I actually don't know what the use of that is, but it'll be for something. Anyway, if you inside here, you've got these little grey clips, okay, and you just undo them so that the white bit comes underneath. Hold on to that a second. And then you pull the entire bit out of here. We got it in a second. We got it out a second ago. Now it's not coming out.
Maybe it's easier if you take the tray out, that's why.
Yeah, that would be a lot easier. Right, there we go. So you've got to take the tray out first. And then you get this back piece. Now, it says you can only do this the once. So we're not going to do it just yet, because obviously we don't really need to use it just yet. And then what you do is these clips go in to the back, and you've got like a really nice sort of
And then I
back
think
bit.
the tray goes into that bit there.
Yeah, goes in and it clips in, and you've got a nice little booster seat to sit at the table with instead of a high chair. It's really light, really small. It's got a nice comfortable feel, and when you're done with the tray, you just take the tray off and pop it back underneath there when you're done. Simple as that. And you know that, I know that's dishwasher safe. You might be able to just put that in a dishwasher, but to be honest with you, for what they eat, you could just give that a wipe down and a disinfectant really. But that
It uses a floor seat when they're 6 months as well. But for a booster seat, you've got the straps and it attaches to your dining chairs.
Yep. But yeah, I mean, we had something similar when Lucas and Eliza were little, but it was nowhere near as good as this. It was just like a seat. It didn't have it didn't have a tray. It didn't have this comfortable insert. It didn't have this back bit. So I've got to say, it looks like quite a good.
And it's not fabric either, so it can be just wiped down.
Yeah, really, really easy to clean. So it's going to be a really interesting one to use when it comes to using it, guys. But yeah, what we'll do is we'll leave a link in the description for you to have a look a bit better at the details, and you know, if something you wanted to buy, as I say, click through the link. But I've got to say, it's one of the best ones that I've seen, looking at anyway. It's quite deep. It's got quite a deep back piece as well. And it looks good enough to fit on a chair. It has actually got on the box the chair, if you were putting it on the chair, the measurements for what it fits on and things like that. But
these grey inserts can come out to make it slightly bigger, so when your child is older, it just makes more space for them. So these bits can come off, these grey bits.
Oh, there we go.
And then the seat bit as well.
Yeah.
And then you've just got a bigger space for them.
Yeah.
So it
but,
lasts for longer.
Yeah, fair enough. Right, okay guys, well that's it for this unboxing review. What we'll do is, I say, we'll leave the link in the comments and you can have a look yourself. As I say, we got it on Amazon. We didn't get it, Jen got it as part of a baby shower. But we do know that it's on Amazon. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you again soon.